Good morning, all. I have to do a couple of walkthrough videos for everybody, the new scripts. What you're staring at on the screen is the 1 hour chart with just the core Holy Grail script visible. And this is probably the most accurate, most powerful scalping script that's out there. The calls are just absolutely friggin' amazing. Much better than anything that we've done previous. But whether it's 1 hour or 3 minutes, it doesn't matter. Whether it's Bitcoin or ETH or Tron, it doesn't matter. The calls are all the same. Anyway, what I want to do is I want to give you just a quick look at what each one is. I'm going to turn core off. I'm going to turn on the forecast. Forecast Sniper is going to give you BitMEX liquidations, and it's going to give you indicators for bullish and bearish sentiment as far as the candles go, and it's going to give you your moving averages. That's Forecast Sniper. Trend Alerts is the same thing. This is going to post arrows showing when the trend is going to change. And it's pretty friggin' accurate as far as watching the trends change. This is a very, very valuable tool. Anyway, Rejection. This is a new script, and this is also showing you what the trend is doing, what your highs and lows are, where the candles hit, where it drops to, and it gives you targets all day long. And it gives you buy and sell signals based on the trend, which you can see. So I try and build in different buy-sell signals into absolutely everything. Okay, so that's that. And then this is Bollinger Bands. And again, this gives you a different set of sentiment candle indicators, and it gives you Bollinger Bands. And also in here is advanced Bollinger Bands and Keltner channels. So it's all in here. But just so you see what it looks like, this is Core Sniper. And it's a big script, and it gives us the price action channel, and you can see the calls. They're spot on. And this is forecast. Turn forecast on. We will turn on super trend, and we will turn on rejection. And yeah, the screen is really pretty busy, but it's giving you all the information that you need to make an honest trade. You want to win, and you better have all the indicators you can possibly have to show you where the trend is, where the possible trend is going, and what's happening with it. That's the easiest way for me to explain it. Yeah, there's a lot of shit on here, but it's all information that's needed. It's valuable. So you can pick and choose, take what you want, not use the other. I mean, it doesn't matter. You can turn them on and off. You can modify the settings. You do whatever you want. This one down here is my RSI tool. And this gives you all the RSI settings plus God mode. So God mode is also in here. Bear Attack. Bear Attack is a brand new script. This gives you margin trading, longs and shorts. It gives you bearish and bullish sentiment with an oscillator that's built in up here. It also has God mode built into it. And it also has wavy built into it. So you're getting indicators all the way across the board. You know when to buy, you know when to sell, and I'll tell you, when they all line up, that's when you should be in a trade. Very cool stuff. Anyway, settings. We're going to go to Bear Attack, because I haven't given anybody the settings for this yet. Just scroll down. Set it up exactly like I've got it. Style. Set it up exactly like I've got it. You'll notice that a lot of them are not turned on, and they don't need to be. Go back up to the top. And that's that. That's bear attack. Now the other one that we do not have, I did not do a video on, was rejection. This one is still pretty simple. Just set the settings up like I have them. They can be candle open or closed. Got all your EMAs are in here. Now there's fractals in here, and you can hide the levels in here. For the guys that like fractals, and Silky, you're one of them, but you might want to play with them. Those are my settings. Go through it one more time. And there you go. That's the settings. And then here's the style. Same thing. Set it up like mine, and then you can play with it after that. You can see what I have turned off. What I have turned on. Now you can stop the video and go forward and go back and all that, and don't forget to set your defaults down here. You want defaults, save as default, and that's all you have to do for that. But yeah, this is the most powerful trading system out there. There's nothing that compares to it. The core script is being tested in a bot right now, and it's doing very well. We'll have some information on that in the weeks to come. There's also a second trading bot that is being worked on. There will be information coming on that pretty soon. But the core script, the way it sits right now, just the core script. Let me turn these off. Just Holy Grail Core is bot ready. You can take this and start making money with this anywhere. Very simple stuff. And it's deadly accurate. Deadly accurate. We can go to the 3-minute. Told you to get into a short here. Told you to get into a long here. Told you there was a trend change coming. The trend change came, and back into a short. All you have to do is follow the steps. That's all you have to do. Pretty simple. Now the volume in here is a little bit nuts. I can't help that. That's just Bitcoin. So you'd be in and out of a lot of trades. Or if you've got nerves of steel, you would just stay in it and ride it out and watch what these candles do. If there's no candle volume, stay in the trade. If you see a direction change coming, like here, or here, then I would entertain switching directions. But that's pretty simple stuff. Anyway, I will turn this back on. Now we're all set. We're all ready to go. Let me scroll these back up here. But that is the Holy Grail trading system in a nutshell. The guys that have already bought it are already making a shit ton of money. And there's guys setting it up today as I speak. Silk Heat, you're in there somewhere. Anyway, we will talk to you all soon. Enjoy the scripts, and we'll talk to you all later.